Thank you, Rosalind. And thank you, Eva, for your speech. It is never too late to make your dreams come true. Eva spoke tonight from the basic manual, project number 3. For the new members, we have a basic manual that has 10 projects. She's only the 3, but have you spoken another club, the same basic manual?
No, I finished the basic manual in the other.
Oh, you started
10
it.
speeches, so start.
That's why.
But that's long. 2 years ago, I
So
was.
the object of this project is get to the point. But she definitely got to the point. She showed us that it's never too late to make our dreams come true. She started giving an example that she's working for 30 years in the health profession. And after working for other people, she decided to make her own business. So it's never too late. I love the example that she gave, that she said also, she registered for learn how to dance salsa, which it must be very hard for her. And she go forward to that. Welcome to that. And I love your humor, because that gives a little sauce to your speech. I love your confidence, how you engage everyone to participate in your speech, making questions, and that give more inspirations to everyone to follow your ideas. So it wasn't not only get to the point, it was also an inspiration speech, which is project number 10. I applaud that. I will suggest only one thing. The use of the space. I know we have very nice space here, but don't stay too long in the middle, giving you back some of the audience, like the ones on this corner. And also I look to you back for a while. So it's a good idea to coming back. Let me tell you something else. I love the way that you change your voice, your eye contact, the best. It shows a lot of confidence. You have a good use of the time. I was very afraid when I saw the red line and I said, oh, she's not gonna make it, she's not gonna close. But you did. And also the structure of your speech. You have a good introduction, a good body, and a very nice conclusion. You really got to the point, and it's never late. Thank you.